to the Prices Per Life with me, Katrina. And I know you hear the echo in the room. This is sort of my empty house tour. You see the brand new paint color on the wall. It is Bear Dynasty's blank canvas. It's the color of the year. But Mom said with the high price of paint, this will be the color of the years. I have lots to do. We're still painting, but I need to put my house back in order. Thank you so much again for tuning in to today's video. I got work to do. So let's get it. Let's go. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. And if you're new here, I'm so glad you decided to click, stick, and stay for today's video. I'm Katrina, and on my channel, well, it's a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and so much more. So consider staying. In fact, just go ahead and stay. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell twice. So on this day, the weather was around 90-something degrees. So I took my area rugs outside, laid it on a tarp, and began the process of giving them a deep, deep cleaning. And these area rugs were purchased from Wayfair about 2 years ago. So I hopped online in search of some new window treatments for the space, and I found the perfect pair. This green and white, well, it's actually called Tea Time curtains on Wayfair. The original price was $105 per panel, but I purchased them on sale for around $40 each. Yay me! I let my area rugs dry overnight before putting them back in place. Yes, this really is day 3 of me working in this one space. You never know how much stuff you have until you have to move it. So I'm taking my time putting everything back in the space. So thank you, family, for sticking and staying to this point in the video. You know, because watching my video from start to the end, that really helps my channel. It really helps my channel to grow. And what also helps my channel to grow is when you give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. Unlike some other channels, I don't get paid to do this. I do it because I simply love it. Now, that doesn't mean that one day I don't want to get paid. But as of now, I do it simply because of the love of sharing my thoughts, my design styles here on this platform. So help me grow. Help me continue to grow. And speaking of growing, we reached another milestone. That's right, we reached 1,250 subscribers. And for that, I am deeply touched and I'm deeply grateful for you, my Price's Pearl family. Entry period ends on Friday, June the 23rd, 2023 at midnight. So if you missed videos 1 and 2, go back right now, watch 1 and 2, make sure to follow all of the clues that are on the video so you will be eligible for the giveaway. Now, the giveaway, the announcement will be on Saturday morning. That's Saturday morning, June the 24th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Someone is going to win a $75 gift card. So check my community tab for all eligibility requirements. Until Saturday morning, you stay safe, you stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.